Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Sai Naran. Welcome back to my channel, Dips Home Live, sharing here Ghee Idli Podi recipe. So basically, idli is a popular South Indian steamed rice cake that is a soft and fluffy. So let's make it together. Take dosa batter, mix well using a spoon, add salt to taste, grease idli plates, pour batter into each mold, steam idli about 10 to 12 minutes, let it cool. Heat ghee in a pot or pan, add idli and add some podi masala. Serve hot and enjoy. If you want to know how I make this podi masala at home, please do let me know in a comment below. Thank you for watching. We'll be back soon with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye. Anya.